Escalate is really very simple. It's an innovative, award-winning approach to commercial litigation aimed at those good, justified cases that ought to move to a conclusion, but which so often don't because of the costs and risks of litigation.
So within this Escalate process, our aim is to take the costs away from you. We will cover those up front, so your court fees, your disbursements, counsel fees, experts fees are all covered from day one. In terms of the length, our aim is to get this dispute resolved for you in 3 months. You want your money more quickly than it would take the average litigation process to conclude. And in terms of risk of having to pay the other side's costs if you lose, well, we've got that covered as well. We will ensure that possibility, and our aim throughout this process is to get what you need as quickly as possible.
We've been instructed in relation to a leased hotel. The owners took on the hotel. There were various issues that weren't disclosed as part of the conveyancing process that have resulted in environmental problems, wastage in rooms, which has cost the hotel a lot of money to not only rectify, but there's also been sort of loss of profit issues. They were sort of pursuing the issue through the traditional legal process, which has cost them best part of £50,000, taken them 2 years, gone to mediation, haven't really got anywhere with the process at all. We were referred to the case by their accountants because the company ran out of money, couldn't afford to litigate going forwards. So we suggested the Escalate programme. We've since looked at the case. It's not cost them any money at all. We've assessed viability, and we sort of said, yeah, there is a good strong case here, and we're therefore in the process of pushing that through our lawyers and hopefully recovering some very significant funds for them.
Even if your lawyer is willing to work on a no-win, no-fee basis, the time delays and the costs and court fees you have to pay up front can be a major barrier to many litigants. Escalate provides an answer and means that cases which should be progressed can be progressed without any risk to the clients.
We know that thousands of cases are written off every year because of lack of funding or appetite towards risk. But through Escalate, over the last 2 and 3 years, over 200 cases have been pursued and over £50 million has been recovered in relation to claims that would have otherwise been written off.
If you've got a case where you think Escalate can help, give us a call. We'd be happy to have a chat and see what we can do to help you.